Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I am here to share you how to fix frozen and slow user interface. Your phone might begin to slow down as their internal storage fill up and it makes difficult to you to run the phone. So you need to delete unused apps and photos or moving them to the cloud or a SD micro card. Also you should close open apps that you are no longer using. Also you need to clean cache. For cleaning the cache you should go to settings and then apps and then clear caches depending on the device you have, or else you can download a app cleaner or app cache cleaner from Play Store or Clean Master from Play Store to clean up cache. Thank you guys for watching the video. After doing all these steps, I assure you that you can fix frozen and slow user interface.